So if I go to Singapore, I'll be going to Marina Bay Sands.
The Marina Bay Sands. And Universal Studio, of course.
Marina Bay Sands.
Marina Bay Sands. Universal Studios.
Universal Studios. I'll take my daughter there.
Little India.
Orchard Road.
Siyempre, Marina.
Marina Barrage.
Sentosa Island. Marina Bay Sands. Universal Studios.
Marina Bay Sands.
Singapore Art Museum. Airport.
So hey guys, we've already opened sales for our Singapore flight, and the inaugural flight would be on the 25th of this month, and we'll be flying there directly from Cebu 4 times weekly. Thank you.
Hi guys, I hope you'll visit the AirAsia booth at Ayala Mall. We'll be offering 888 exclusive 888 all-in fare. We'll be giving away free flights as well. I hope to see you guys this weekend.